Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 100-year-old cigar. So I've just replaced my Dom Benedictine, a herbal liqueur, and I also picked up a bottle of Montenegro. Haven't had Montenegro on the bar for a very long time. If you want to suggest any cocktails, feel free to leave some suggestions in the comments below. This one is a rum-based cocktail with a little bit of Dom Benedictine, which is going to bring that honeyed herbal note to the drink. And then Cynar, which is going to bring vegetal, bitter herbal notes, and then some smoke from the Lafroig. So this cocktail was featured in Brooklyn Bartender. I've done a couple of cocktails from that book lately, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to start stocking it on cocktailkit.com.au because the cocktails that have been featured in it are really good, and most of them have been modern classics, so a lot of new cocktails that I haven't come across before. So let's get started on making the drink, and start off with your preferred aged rum. And measure up 50 ml. What's that in ounces? 1 and 2/3 ounce, if my math is right. And then 15 ml, half an ounce of Dom Benedictine. Add that straight into your mixing glass, followed by the same measurement of Cynar. So 15 ml, half an ounce. And your peaty whiskey, so I'm using Lafroig, 10 ml, 1/3 of an ounce. This is a very dominant smoky flavour with the Lafroig whiskey, so you only really need the 10 ml. And 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Fill your mixing glass with ice and give it a stir for about 30-40 seconds. So this should be a really complex drink, and it's been on my list for not too long, but I've been really keen to try it, hence why I went out and grabbed a bottle of Dom Benedictine. Then add an Absinthe Rinse to your chilled glass. Use a bitters bottle, add a few drops in, or use the atomizer to spray the glass. So it's going to add some anise notes, strain straight into that chilled glass. And there you have the 100-year-old cigar. So it's very complex. Quite a few, quite an array of flavors. I mean, you've got the sweetness from the rum, you've got honeyed Benedictine, you've got bitter notes, you've got smoke, you've got anise, and you've got the bitters. Super complex. Here it goes. Cheers. Very intense, very rich. The dominant flavor being the smoke from that Lafroig, but it's softened. And it's got some sweeter notes from the honeyed Benedictine and some subtle bitterness. I think I'd probably like to try this again, maybe only half as much, 5 ml or 1/6 of an ounce of the Lafroig, just to drop that smoke, to let the other ingredients shine a little bit more. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please hit that bell button, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.